Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Sips by unboxing, and this is one of their curated boxes. The Floral Tea box. So in their little store, they have several different curated ones. They let me pick a couple to test out and do reviews for, so this is one that I chose because I was hoping there would be the blooming tea because that's my favorite kind. I think it's so cool. So we will take a look. Floral Tea box. Couple little cards inside about the subscription, and then each box comes with some of these fillable tea bags just for any loose leaf tea that you get. So here is the first one. This is really pretty. Definitely see a lot of flowers in there. This has silver linden tree blossoms, lemon balm leaves, lavender blossoms, rose petals, sweet blackberry leaves, apple pieces, orange blossoms, and mallow blossoms. Interesting. And very nice and colorful too. Then we have Churchill's Fine Teas. This is white peachberry jasmine pearls. It's a white tea. And that's what that looks like. Yay, are these blooming ones? Yep. So it looks like there's two in there. They're like little buds. If you've never had them before, I used to have a clear, I don't have it anymore, it might have broke. But if you put it in like a clear cup and you put boiling water, they will slowly unfold like a flower blooming, and it's the coolest thing. So here's two of them. Spring Cup by Davidson's Tea, which we do get a lot from them, that brand. This just tells you the brewing time on the back of it. So that's really fun. And then the last one, ooh, very pretty. Lots of purples in there. Strong Bird Farm, Monroe, North Carolina, small batch teas. And it says violet on here. So let's look at the card real quick. So here's all the additional information, caffeine levels, steep times. So this is mainly caffeine free. This one has low caffeine, and you usually get some kind of promo codes if you fall in love with them and want to buy more. So I like that. They do have a very detailed product card. So that is what came today in the Floral Tea box. If you'd like to see more unboxings or more of their curated boxes, please check out my playlist. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.